Tell me why for a while.
Oh, hey, Pudge.
I thought you were going to pull out a knife or something.
Oh, hey, Elliot. Oh, hey, Jeremiah. Mary Beth.
Hey,
Are we in high definition?
For a while.
Are we in high definition?
What is this for? Do the thingy.
Yeah. How you doing? Tell me why I thought I was going to get a knife at first. It's like, oh, fuck, my bad. My bad.
Oh, hey, Bo. Oh, hey, school.
Job. How you doing, man? Don't do that.
Hey, Job. Hey, Job.
Oh.
Hey, Job. Hey, Justin. Hey, Justin.
That shit's tight.
Hey, Justin.
What? Where'd you get that shit?
Fucking talk to the camera, fuck.
Yee!
Job.
Go ahead.
Can I have a piece of that? Of that?
Throw that away, though.
Of that? Look at that. I just record myself.
Going up on YouTube. Wait.
Hey, Josh. Hi, Josh.
Hi.
Hi, Jeremiah. Hi, Ro. True. Hey, True. Hi. Oh, hey.
Oh, hey.
Oh, hey.
Recording?
Why?
Why not?
Oh, hey.
Hey. Oh, hey.
Close up on your face.
Huh?
It's close to your face.
Oh, no. You're...
This is where we post.
Asian mom says
This is Roel. In the den. And that's Josh. In the den. And that's Justin. In the den.
Grayson!
You got the mom. Keep him on.
Bitch, get away from me.
Watch this. Grayson! What's up, bruh?
Come here, ho!
Why am I recording this shit?
Come here! Don't bring that. Come here! What are you doing? No.
Close up.
No.
Close up.
Close up.
Oh my god, Grayson.
Oh.
Come here. Why are you so scared?
How do you feel about the rain? How do you feel about the rain?
I feel fucking horrible right now.
How do you feel about the rain? That's how he feels about the rain.
What?
Bad. You didn't say anything.
Little quiet chink right here.
What do you feel about it now?
What? Shit, son!
Hey, get off the phone and tell me how you feel about the rain. Never mind.
Yeah, nigga!
It's so ugly.
It's okay.
1G wasn't much better, but...
Okay.
So how do you feel about the rain?
Wet and cold.
Wet and cold. How about you? No face. That's how she feels. I don't. How do you feel about the rain?
I like it, actually. I really enjoy it.
She enjoys the rain. Hey, Nee, how do you feel about the rain?
My hair's all wet.
Look at the camera.
No, look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Use the deodorant umbrella. That's what it looks like. Alright. This is like my new favorite thing ever.
Hey, guess what?
What?
You're gay.
His dick!
This his dick. Alright. How do you feel about the rain? I fucking love this thing. It's so like.
What the fuck is that?
It's a camcorder.
Where'd you get that from?
Hey!
The bank.
Watch your mouth!
Yeah. It does this local thing.
Hey, whoa!
I know, right? That's like the coolest thing.
If you guys didn't, or you can't see, but the little thing flips up.
We see it on the other side of this. Compare up to it.
Whoa! Clear as fuck.
So, hubby?
Are you still recording? Are you recording?
Yeah.
It wasn't as good as that.
Shit on!
I have to pay for the HD and the flippy.
That's what I'm trying to figure it out.
Okay.
That's a huge ass nigga.
That's tight. That thing's tight. I've been using that shit every day. West Coast. All
West
day.
Coast.
West Coast.
Yeah.
You see it,
You see it.
Darky.
You see me?
Well, it's raining. Bye.
Yeah, it's on
It's not even on. It's not even on.
Or like, it is now.
Fucking.
Suck my dick. You know what I mean? Dennis,
Thank
stop
you.
it.
Come on, just say hi.
I said hi already.
With your face.
No.
Alright.
Can you just pick another day to do it?
Alright, for sure.
When did you get your teeth?
Ha! Got you. Okay, I don't know where to go with this, so...
Oh my god!
Fuck, I missed it. Where is it? Oh. It's a big... That's a fucking mosquito.
Well, I don't know. What fucking bugs there are?
God damn mosquito. Hey.
It's a fucking mosquito, you asshole.
It's a fucking mosquito. You want me to her?
You asshole.
Alright, niggas. I'll be back. Alright, where else? Yeah.
Yeah, where else are they gonna go?
Shit, son.
Fuck, dude.
Sucking dick.
Hey dude, I saw someone use shits on Tumblr.
It's the pack.
I don't know, I forgot who it was.
Someone's gonna be sucking
Bye.
It wasn't an exclamation point, it was shit, comma son.
shit.
Son.
I found a better Tumblr than
Son.
there's sexy Asians. And they're like all models.
Oh, hi.
Watch, I'll
Bye.
show you. And it's like, way better.
Why?
Yeah, what's going on
Sexy Asians.
Straight up beefing on YouTube.
Yeah, we got beef with
On
him.
HD, nigga.
It's him.
1080p.
We've got beef with you. Yes, you. Beef squashed.
Yeah, I know, but what does the P stand for?
Pixels?
Yeah.
He's progressive.
Oh, progressive.
What the hell's the
See?
difference?
Okay.
Oh shit, son.
Oh,
I know, right? That's like one entry.
that deserves a
I know!
boing. I'm just.
And she's
Look at my dad's already coming.
Hey, look, it's Alan.
You gotta flip it up.
Flip.
You gotta flip it up.
Yeah.
Ooh, cool.
Oh, hey, Alan. How you doing?
Good.
Where are you going?
I don't know.
Where's that
Just
flip
wondering.
button at?
How do you feel about this rain?
I love it.
He loves it.
I love it when I'm wet.
I missed
Peace,
you, Alan.
guys.
Peace out.